is Noga Zaslavsky, and I'm a new assistant professor at the Language Science Department. I received my Ph.D. in computational neuroscience from the Hebrew University, and then I went on to do a postdoc at MIT before joining UCI. My research aims to understand the computational principles that underlie language and cognition, both in humans and in artificial agents. Language is ultimately about conveying ideas and beliefs from one mind to another. And remarkably, we're able to do so using a relatively small number of words compared to the overwhelming complexity of the world. So how is this possible? How does the way we perceive and act in the world shape the way we convey ideas in our language? And how do languages evolve over time and adapt to changing environments and social needs? To address these kinds of questions, I combine in my research tools from computer science, data science, computational linguistics, and cognitive science in order to build computational models that integrate language with other cognitive functions, such as perception, motor control, and social reasoning. I then test the predictions of these models on multiple types of human data, from behavioral data that we collect in my lab to other types of data such as cross-cultural, developmental, and neural data, on which I'm collaborating with several experimental labs across the world. In addition, I'm also using my models to study how language may emerge in artificial agents that have human-like embodiment without actually training them on massive amounts of human-generated text. One of the key findings that emerged from my research so far is that in order to communicate about and reason about meaning in language, both humans and artificial agents must satisfy a trade-off between compressing as much as possible the representation of the world while also trying to maximize as much as possible the informativeness or utility achieved by their language. I'm very excited to join UCI, which has a long tradition of pioneering interdisciplinary research on mathematical models of behavior. The Language Science Department has a unique role in this tradition, as it is one of the first language science departments in the world, and it combines cutting-edge research in computational linguistics with a broad interdisciplinary approach to language and cognition. I'm absolutely thrilled to join the wonderful language science faculty at UCI and be part of this vibrant team that is reshaping how we study language in the age of big data and paving the way for new, groundbreaking language research.